Yes, today exercise 4.3, question number 5. Okay. In a class test, sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. Okay. Now we observe that we consider that Shefali obtained marks in maths is X. Okay. Now what will be the marks obtained by Shefali in English? Please tell me.
X minus 30.
30 minus X. Total is 30. Not X minus 30. Okay. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay. Let marks obtained by Shefali in maths. How many marks obtained by Shefali in maths? X marks. Okay. And marks obtained by Shefali in English. In English B.
30 minus 8.
30 minus X. Very good. Okay. Now read the question. Had she got 2 marks more in maths? Had she got 2 more marks in maths and 3 marks less in English? 3 marks less in English. The product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Okay. According to question.
Yes, sir.
According to question. If she got 2 more marks in maths. Now, marks obtained by Shefali in math X. If she got 2 more marks, how many marks will be? X plus 2. स्टार्टिंग में जो मार्क्स ऑब्टेन किए हैं शेफाली ने मैथ्स में वो एक्स किए. अब 2 more marks is gained by Shefali in maths, then it become x plus 2. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 3 marks less in English.
30 minus x minus 3.
Okay. 30 minus x minus 3 and product is 210.
27 minus 7.
210. Now solve it. X plus 2. 30 minus 3. 27 minus x. 210. Okay. Cross multiplication it. X into 27. It becomes 27x.
27.
Okay. Now x into x. It becomes x square.
X.
Now plus 2 into 27. It becomes 54. Minus 2x. That is 210 equal. Okay. Now solve it. Minus x square plus 25x. 27x minus 25 2x, it becomes plus 25x. Okay, plus 54 minus 210 equal to 0. Minus x square plus 25x minus 210 plus 54, it becomes 10 minus 4 6. Okay, 10 minus 5 5, 156. Coefficient of x square can never be negative. First of all, we will take minus as a common factor, minus 1 as a common factor. So coefficient of x square becomes positives. Minus 1 as a common factor. So coefficient
x square minus 25 plus 156.
25x plus 156. Okay. Now 0 divided by minus 1, it becomes 0. So final quadratic equation becomes
आपने यहाँ पे 25x नहीं लिखा है, उसके ऊपर देखो
plus 156 equal to 0. Okay. Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be plus 156 and addition of two factors will be minus 25. Please tell me. Tell me fast. What will be two factors?
So minus 13 and minus 12.
Minus 13 minus 12. X square minus 13x minus 12x minus 13 minus 12, it becomes minus 25, and multiplication of minus 13 and minus 12, it becomes plus 156. Plus 156 equal to 0. What is common in first two terms? X is common in first two terms. It becomes x minus 13. What is common in last two terms?
minus 12 is
Minus 12 as a common factor, it becomes x minus 13. Okay. Now x minus 13 is as a common factor. X minus 12 equal to 0. Now x minus 13 equal to 0, x minus 12 equal to 0, x is equal to 13 and x is equal to 12, so x is equal to 13 and 12. Okay. Case first. Here are two positive values. There will be two case rises. What is x? X is marks obtained by Shefali in maths and marks obtained by Shefali in English 30 minus x. Okay. Case first. Marks obtained by Shefali in maths B. How many marks? 30. And marks obtained by Shefali in English B. 30 minus x. 30. What is x? 30. That is 17 marks.
yes.
Case second will be K second, please tell me.
Marks for the math will be 12.
Marks obtained by Shefali
In
In
maths
maths.
equals to 12.
in maths. How many is equal to x is equal to 12. And marks obtained by Shefali in English,
30 minus 12.
that is 30 minus x. 30 minus x is 12, that is 18 marks. Do it
30
fast.
minus 12, which is 18.
Okay. Question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is a rectangular field. ABCD is a rectangular field. Okay. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Let the shorter side be x. And diagonal is 60 meter more. X plus 60 meter. Okay. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, 30 meter more, x plus 30. Now we have to find the other two sides of the field. It is a rectangle. If it is a rectangle, it is a 90 degree. Okay.
Opposite side will be equal.
Opposite side will be equal, rectangle. Okay. Now ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now can we apply Pythagoras theorem in it?
Yes, sir. Of course.
In right angle triangle ABC. In a right angle triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, we get Pythagoras theorem. We get okay. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. What is your hypotenuse? X plus 60.
X plus 60.
What is perpendicular? X square. What is base? X plus 30 whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. Okay. Write down any problem. It becomes x square 60 square 3600. It becomes 120x. X square plus x square, twice of x square. 30 square 900. 30 into 2 60x. Okay. Now, as you know that the coefficient of x square should be positive, so we will transfer the left hand side values to right hand side. All the values of left hand side I will transfer into right hand side. Okay.
Right.
So it becomes 2x square plus 900 plus 60x, and now we transfer value of left hand side to right hand side. Minus x square minus 3600 minus 120x. Any doubt, any problem? Equal to 0. No problem. Now 2x square, like close the like term. ठीक ना? Put the like term close to each other. 2x square minus x square plus 60x minus 120x plus 900 minus 3600 equal to 0. Okay. 2x square minus x square, it becomes x square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. Okay. Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factors will be minus 2700 and subtraction will be minus 60. Please tell me fast.
Minus 90 plus 30.
Minus 90 plus 30. Very good. X square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 equal to 0. What is a common factor in first two terms? X is common. X minus 90, 30 as a common factor. X minus 90 equal to 0. Yes, x minus 90 as a common factor, x plus 30 equal to 0. So the value of x becomes 90 and minus 30. Okay. Length of side can never be negative. Length of side can never be negative. So x is equal to minus 30 is rejected. Length of side can never be negative. Never be negative. So x is equal to minus 30 is rejected. Is it rejected? Okay. Therefore, length of shorter side B या breadth of rectangle B, rectangular field, या अब क्या है length of shorter side, length of shorter side of the field, side of the field, of the field B, x, and x is 90 meter. Length of longer side of the field B, length of longer side of the field B, of the field B, that is x plus 60, 30, x plus 30, x plus 30, x plus 30 meter, and x is 120, 90 plus 30, 90 plus 30 meter, it becomes 120 meter. Do it fast. Question number 7. the difference of square of two numbers. Two numbers, difference of square of two numbers is 180. The difference of squares of two number is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Let the larger number be. Let the larger number be. Okay, let the larger number be x. Okay, the square of smaller number b. The square of smaller number b. Please tell me. The square of smaller number b. What is? 8 times the larger number. The square 8x. Very good. Now, in first statement, it is written that the difference of squares of two number is 180. Square of smaller number is 8x. Square of larger number b. Please tell me. Square of larger number b.
X square.
X square. Now according to question, the difference of square of two number is 180. Difference of square of two numbers.
8 square minus 8x whole square is equal to
180 is equal to 180. Okay. Now x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be minus 180 and subtraction will be minus 8. Tell me fast. Tell me fast.
1 minute.
X square minus 10x.
Sir, this
18 minus 10. 18 minus 10. Minus 18 plus 10. Minus 18x
x equals minus 18x plus 10x.
plus 10x is minus 180 equal to 0. What is common in first two terms? X is common. X minus 18. What is common in last two terms? Plus 10. X minus 18 equal to 0. Okay. X minus 18 as a common factor. X plus 10 equal to 0. It becomes x is 18 and minus 10. Okay. Okay, case first. Now case first is, let the smaller number be minus 10. Let the larger number be minus 10. Okay. Square of smaller number be 8x. Square of smaller number V8x. It means 8 into
Sir, the
minus 10.
PV that the
Minus
largest
80.
number cannot considered as negative as 8 times of the largest number.
Square of smaller number V8x, 8 into minus 10, that is minus 80. And square of any number can never be negative. अगर किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर करते हैं, माइनस का करते हैं या प्लस का करते हैं, तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव आता है. ठीक है? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Square
Yes,
of
right.
square of any number can never be negative. Square of any number. Square of any number can never be negative. Can never be negative. So x is equal to minus 10 is rejected. Is it rejected? Okay. Case second. Case second. Case second. The larger number b. The larger number b. Please tell me.
80.
80. The square of smaller number b. 8x. What is x? 80. 144. Therefore, the smaller number b.
Which is equal to square root of 12.
The smaller number b. Square root of 144, that is 12. 18 and 12 are is the answer.
Sir,
Question number 9. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. Okay. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay. Let the time taken by smaller diameter of tap to fill the tank x hour. Larger diameter of tap
x minus 10
take
hours.
10 hours less than the smaller one. Okay, and they together take the time 9 3/8 hours to fill the tank. Okay, now we have to find out the time separately, that how much time taken by smaller diameter of tap as well as larger diameter of tap. Okay, let time taken by smaller diameter of tap. Smaller diameter of tap to fill the tank. How many times? X hours. And the time taken by larger diameter of tap. Diameter of tap to fill the tank. Okay, x minus 10 hours. larger diameter of tap is 93 by 8 hours. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 3 75 by 8. अब आप कहोगे कि सर कि जो स्मॉलर डायमीटर ऑफ टैप है वो x आवर ले रहा है और लार्जर डायमीटर ऑफ टैप जो है x माइनस 10 ले रहा है, तो इन दोनों का जो सम है वो 75 by 8 के इक्वल है. मैं कहता बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो आप. x plus x minus 10 is equal to 75 by 8 है ये बात. लेकिन क्या है, अगर मैं इसको इस इक्वेशन में रखता हूं तो दिस विल नॉट फॉर्म इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा. ठीक है. टू कन्वर्ट इनटू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड आउट द smaller diameter of tap 1 hour works. 1 hour works. How?
Part of the tank filled by larger pipe in 1 hour.
1 hour. And smaller diameter of tap 1 hour work. Larger diameter of tap 1 hour work.
1 by x.
Okay. If you will do such as this will be converted into quadratic equation. After convert into quadratic equation, we will find out the value of x. Okay. समझ में आया सभी को? ये मैंने क्या है x plus x minus 10 is equal to 75 by 8 क्यों नहीं किया? इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि इससे तो लीनियर इक्वेशन बनेगी. Because this chapter is depend on quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this question by using quadratic equation, not by linear equation. Okay. Now smaller diameter of tap 1 hour work. Smaller diameter of taps. Smaller diameter of tap 1 hour work. Please tell me how much work is done by smaller diameter of tap in 1 hour. Total time taken by smaller diameter of tap is x hour. Yeah, please.
Sir, it will be 1 by x.
1 by x. In 2 hours, work will be 2 by x. In 3 hours, work will be 3 by x. In 4 hours, work will be 4 by x. Okay? Larger diameter of tap 1 hour work. Larger diameter of tap 1 hour work. Okay, 1 upon x minus 10. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay, according to questions.
Right, sir.
Smaller diameter of tap 1 hour work 1 by x. Larger diameter of tap 1 hour work 1 upon x minus 10. Okay.
Equals to 8 by 75.
Okay. 75 by 8 is the total time taken by smaller diameter of tap and larger diameter of tap. ठीक ना? Both taps 1 hour work. Both tap 1 hour work. Total time is 75 by 8. And total work done by both diameter of tap in 1 hour. Please tell me. 1 by 75 by 8. It becomes 8 by 75. Am I right or wrong?
8 by 75.
Swasti?
Yes.
Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Okay. Now take the LCM. X into x minus 10. Now it becomes x minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 by 75. Solve it. It becomes 2x minus 10 x square minus 10x 8 by 75. Now 2 as a common factor. X minus 4 x square minus x square minus 10x x square minus 10x x square minus 10x 8 upon 75. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, 4x square minus 40x 75x minus 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 7s are 28 or 2 30 300. Now 4x square minus 40x minus 75x plus 300 equal to 0. 4x square minus 115x plus 300 equal to 0.
सर हम इसे ऐसे भी तो कर सकते हैं ना?
क्या कर सकते हो?
यहाँ पे मतलब कुछ कैंसिल ना करें वैल्यू को और डायरेक्ट लिखे 75 2x minus 10 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. उसके बाद फर्दर सॉल्व कर लेंगे इक्वेशन को.
350 होना चाहिए.
I mean sir जैसे आपने यहाँ पे
One
8
second,
को
Pranati, one
cancel
second.
कर दिया है.
Pranati, one second. 1 second. X minus 10x x into x minus 10 8 by 75 2x minus 10 x square minus 10x 8 by 75 2x common x minus 5 है. That is 5. Okay, that is 5. 4x square minus 40 75x and it becomes 375. 375. Now 375. 4 into 375 it becomes 1500 minus 100 minus 15. Factor becomes minus 100 minus 15. 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equal to 0. Now 4x as a common factor, x minus 25. Okay, minus 15 as a common factor, x minus 25 equal to 0. Now it becomes x minus 25 and 4x minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 15 by 4. Do it fast. Any doubt, any problem? Time taken by smaller diameter of tap to fill the tank. X is equal to 15 by 4 hours. And time taken by larger diameter of tap to fill the tank. X minus 10. Time taken by
Yes.
larger diameter of tap to fill the tank. To fill the tank. How much? X minus 10. 15 by 4 minus 10. LCM is 4. 15 minus 40. It becomes minus 25 by 4. Okay? Time can never be negative. Time can never be negative. Can never be negative. Be negative. So x is equal to 15 by 4 is rejected. Is rejected. Okay? Any doubt, any problem?
Yes, sir.
Now k second. In k second, time taken by smaller diameter of tap to fill the tank. X is equal to 25 hours. Second is 25 hours. Now time taken by smaller diameter of tap to fill the tank. X is equal to 25 hours. And time taken by larger diameter of tap to fill the tank. X minus 10, 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 hours. 25 and 15. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay.